Hi beavers, hi monkeys, we miss you. I hope you're safe and healthy. We're going to review our digraphs we took in class today. So we're going to be reviewing the digraph th. It's T H. We're going to be reading a book about Beth's throne, and there are some weird things starting with the or ending with the on her throne. Let's see. There is a booth on Beth's throne. This is a booth. There is a tooth on Beth's throne. There is a path on Beth's throne. There is a mouth on Beth's throne, and also teeth. There is a bath on Beth's throne. Oh no. There is math on Beth's throne. Math. So these were the words in the book, most of them ending or all of them ending with the math, path, bath, mouth, booth, tooth. Now it's your turn, beavers and monkeys. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil and some colors, and I want you to draw and write some words ending with the or starting with the. I'm sure you can do a good job. We miss you, and I cannot wait to see it. Have a good day.